How's it going? Alright, I've been messing with the Arduino. I'm still kind of new with it. Sorry about the shaky camera. Uh, this is my Uno. Right now I have two breadboards kind of just set up. It's kind of just for general experimenting and whatnot. Right now I have an alarm. I'm programming. Still new to the programming. Learning the different codings and whatnot. So yeah, I'm getting there. But right now, it's super simple. I have three buttons right here. The first one is to basically arm it. I mean, okay, well, no. Let me back up a sec. Right now, as the code sits, as soon as you turn the system on, it's ready to go. The button one, I'll just call it 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, and then this fifth one right here is the reset. I'll just call that 4. 1 deactivates the triggers, and it basically stops the alarm. Right now it's set for 10 seconds, so it deactivates it, gives you enough time to exit the house, building, whatever it may be, and then it will show the arm LED. It'll the first one starts flashing, lets you know. Then the second one will come on, and it'll show you that it's armed. And right, I do have a serial print set up right now, so I'll show you on the screen in a sec. So that'll show you. Basically, it'll count down, so you're not just like, oh my god, what beep is it on? Right count. Okay. So I have the buzzer right here. That's the one that sounds. This is the siren I'm using right now. It's being powered. Everything's being powered from the board, and the siren I have being kicked on. The signal is being sent to this transistor, and that's actually what's dumping the power through that thing. Yeah, that's basically it right now. This is the code. This can focus in on it, okay. So yeah, it's pretty simple. I had like over 200 lines of code. I really brought it down. I think it's like 191, says right there. Can't really see that, sorry. Yeah, right now it's just very simple loops, very simple, but I know it kind of makes the coding kind of long. Still learning on how to shorten things up. But yeah, I'll show you it working right now. I won't show you, let me show you what the LEDs do. I'll let it run through its full cycle. What the heck. So the first one, right now, green LED, system ready. The first one will count down 10 seconds, and then it will show the arm LED go on. So you got the buzzer go on 10 times, 2, 3. And the boredom strikes. Alright, there we go. It's armed, ready to go. You know what? I'm actually going to reset it, and I'm going to show you how it deactivates. This is the trigger right here, button 2. Let me go through there, and then I'm going to start pressing the trigger, and nothing happens. It will not send a command to basically turn the siren on. Kind of just figured that out. Should be going back to arm. Yep, there we go. Okay, now when I press the actual trigger, when it's armed, it's going to count down 5 seconds, and I have it set to display. I'm going to have a keypad set up hopefully soon, so you can type in a code. Right now it's just this button and the reset. So I'm going to hit the trigger. start counting down. And you notice 2 LEDs are on right now. The first one, the steady one, that's a constant signal, so you can send it somewhere else. So you can even have so you see that blinks, it's deactivated now. And then you just reset it. There we go, it's ready to go. Okay. Yeah, what was I saying? Oh yes, you can have the. I'll have probably a switch set up, probably one of these guys, so you can maybe set the alarm off, the actual siren, and you can have a silent alarm sent somewhere. If you're liking, maybe you can have maybe something set up with the Arduino. You could send it somewhere else wirelessly if you'd like, or to some other home system, anything you'd like. I just like options. Okay, so let's move back to the screen, and let's go ahead and open up the serial monitor. Okay, so here we go. There we go. It shows the setup. Now it says system ready. Okay, let me switch hands with the camera, sorry. Alright, now I'm going to press the first button. It says please exit while system is arming, and it is counting down. Okay, now it says it is armed. Okay, now I will activate the alarm. It says warning, reset command required. This is where you punch in the code, or just press the button in my case. I'm going to set it off real quick. Okay, now it says alarm stopped, please reset system. What this does is it makes sure, just make sure that it goes back to the beginning of the loop. Right now, as of right now, I can still set off the alarm, but basically what the reset is, I'll show it right here. Yep, there we go. Basically what the reset is right now is it just it keeps the display going. I like, me personally, I like to see some kind of light indicating that the system is basically back to start, yeah, I just don't like a continuous code running. Yeah, that's just my preference. You can do what you'd like. But yeah, this is my system so far. Sorry for the long video. I'm not good at making videos, if you haven't already noticed that. I will probably be buying more Arduino boards, because I'll probably end up just finishing this whole circuit and actually putting it into an enclosure and making an actual alarm system when I'm done with it. Test it on my own house. Yeah. Just in about a couple days, I learned the coding. It's super simple, really. If you're a beginner with it, I would highly recommend starting with this. I've never touched a code in my life, and just in a couple days, I've learned enough to do this on my own. I'm all self-taught in electronics anyway. I think it's fun if you're willing to put in the time and the money. Even it's not really that expensive, but even then, I don't know. I think it's great. You can do very simple stuff or even complex stuff. I mean, even right now, my code. Looking back at the screen, I forget how much it uses. I don't know. Let me just re-upload it. Yeah, I'm only taking up 16% of the memory right now. So I mean, and already it works. It works great. If I wanted to make it as complex as I wanted it to make, I mean, just the Uno has by far enough room on there for me. I was thinking about getting the Mega just simply to have more pins. I like wires, as you can see. I just really like to experiment. I like the options. So yeah, if you like this video, like and subscribe. you know, if you have any input, let me know. Put it in the comments. Every so often, I'll check them. I love input, whether it's negative or positive. Don't make it too negative. So yeah, thanks.